of orientation I received from where I'm just coming from. In your entire life, you would not even talk to me in that manner. Come to think of it, I can't kill my husband. I can't do it. Not after everything he has done for me. God. Please just... He must please just change and become a better man. Hi, Chinekenna. I couldn't have killed my husband. Not after everything. Everything he did for me. For us.
Exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly my question, Ifoma. Even if you are the evil herself, how could you have forgotten so soon? You will not die, my sister. If you will not die, you will survive.
My brother, nothing will happen to her. Stop speaking. Okay. Have faith. Nothing will happen to her, okay? We will get soon. It's okay.
We will not die before our mother. We will bury our mother. Mama, you will not die.
Amen.
You will not die. Thank you. Please, thank you.
Amen.
God will bless you. Mama, she's not talking now. She's Mama. She's not talking now. Quick, hurry up, hurry up, quick. Mama. If my people never hear the place that you to me now, if you don't do this to me now.
Don't worry, she'll be fine. Nothing is. Have faith. Have faith. Let me concentrate.
If Mama, please. If Mama, don't place me. If Mama, talk to me. Please, if Mama. Hurry up. Please hurry up. If Mama. Talk to me now. If you talk to me, this is me, your brother.
We're almost there.
We are there. Hey, Mama, sorry, my sister. Okay, I can see the sound, but please hurry up. Hey, Mama, please don't give up on me.
This is critical. The doctor is not around. You have to take her to another hospital.
No, how can you say that? Call the doctor now. She might die.
He's not around. He just left now, so you have to take her to another hospital.
This is someone's life. You're telling me. So how you behave here? Which one is?
Amos.
Hello.
Hello. How are you doing?
Now, doctor, there is a critical case, so I'm in your hospital right now.
Wait, I'm coming. What happened?
My kid sister just got hit by a car, so I brought her here.
What? Are you serious?
But your nurse here said you're not around, that I should take her to another hospital. And if I carry her out of here now, she might die on our way to the next hospital.
No. No, you don't have to be begging. No. Don't worry, I'm coming back right away. I'm coming back now, please. Hey, give my nurse the phone.
Okay. Please, he wants to speak to you.
Hello, sir.
Hello? Nurse? Please, I'm coming back now. I'm coming back. I'm on my way, eh? Okay, thank you. Chai. Hey. Oh.
Guys, wait for him. He's coming.
Wait. Yeah, so let's just wait for him. Don't worry, once he comes, I'll give him. How is she?
Calm down. Just calm down, eh? It's a miracle, man.
Okay.
And I was almost going home, but because of your call, I just had to come back. And if I had not come, she would have made it. But thank God, she's okay.
Thank God.
My sister.
So
She's okay.
She's stable, but just walking towards the internal bleeding, but she'll be fine.
thank you very much, my brother. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Just have to thank you. Not me.
Thank you.
It's okay, don't mention. We give God all the glory.
Amen. Thank you.
I believe this, my friend, right from school. This is big head,
Bro, your sister will be fine.
Actually, she's not really my sister. This is her brother.
Are you serious?
My sister. Friend. Just friend. New friend.
So I'm glad we're able to help them.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you.
Bro, so don't panic, yeah?
Thank you, bros. Bros, thank you.
Okay, stop this. Let's sit down.
Sit down.
Okay. Sit down there.
Can I see her?
No, don't worry.
That's my accent. This is your big girl. I know it's booked that field right from school.
Mama, I need to say that man. I need to say thank you to him.
Oh, Mama. I need to see him as well and thank him. He must be an angel sent from heaven.
Mama, you need to see how that guy was busy running helter-skelter as if Ifeoma was his own sister. He even lied to the doctor that Ifeoma was his own sister.
Hey! Angel.
Oh, doctor.
Mama. Good morning. Take over.
I'm fine.
Good day, man.
Thank you. Amen.
Lugo.
Amen.
Hey. Nice.
If how are you doing now?
I'm fine, doctor.
So how's the pain?
Oh, I feel very much better. My head is no longer aching. I feel better, doctor.
Thank God. Okay, actually you've been discharged. You're free to go home.
Oh, really?
Doctor, you mean my sister, she's discharged?
She's discharged.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. But doctor, handle us carefully. The bill, what's her bill?
So, the young guy is paid the whole month.
That same guy?
That same guy.
Pay the bill. Mama!
Doctor, did he by any chance drop his contact? So at least we could call him to say thank you.
I asked him about the number, but he said it's not necessary.
Mba.
But I just want to stay.
Hey, Mba no doctor, how can you say a thing like that? It will be a curse upon my family and I. Upon us, if we fail to go and see that man and show appreciation, I mean to say thank you for everything he has done.
Let's just say thank you at least.
Please. You must show us to him, Biko.
Of course, it's true, but he insists that nobody should know about it.
Hi, Mbano.
Please, no single phone number to reach him and say thank you.
No.
Mbano.
Mama, don't worry, we'll look for a way to get to you. Yes, we will.
It's okay. So tell me why you called me to come out here.
Brother, chill. Relax. When I can go say so. Calm down.
Which one is relaxed? Tell me why you... Oga, I dey go shop. Oh. Tell me why you called me. Let me leave here.
Calm down. Just hold on a minute. Yeah? So you don't trust me, eh? So in this whole world, I just can't trust. Like, who will you say?
God now. It's only God that I can trust.
Now, God won't do it for you now. Just calm down. Hold on.
It's not the same thing you talked about when we were in school. Where you say, man, calm down.
You think
how come you say that person why they own that? No, stand, don't do that.
No. I just want to thank you for saving my life.
You're welcome, but stand up first. No, now. Stand up and say thank you.
Brother, thank you. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
God bless you.
Bless you
God
too.
will continue to bless you.
Okay.
All the days of your life. If motor wants to hit you, let it hit me.
No.
This
is your sister is funny.
What you did for me. God bless you.
It's okay, bless you.
God will change your car, everything about it. God will change.
Yes, God bless you.
Amen.
For your kindness, God continue to bless you.
Amen.
Amen. Just I'm wondering why my car is down there.
You want bigger that you have a bigger car.
Thank you. You're welcome. No, you see, I did everything for God. Okay, and we are glad that you are alive. It's okay. I hope she's taking her medication.
Sure.
Okay. I'm glad you're fine now. You know that day I didn't really see your face because it was covered with blood stains. Really beautiful, oh.
Brother.
So I should be like Fulani people where run out from.
We are like that in our family. This beauty is inside of us. It's in our genes.
You did not tell me that the brother is a fine brother.
You carry beers like me.
Thank you.
No, it's alright. It's alright.
Okay, now you are disturbing me.
I said no. I said no because I couldn't kill a man who gave me my life back when I almost lost it. I couldn't kill him because of money.
If Mama, was it only you? What about Mama? What about Mama?
Mama, how are you?
Ogo, what will I answer you now?
Sorry.
Mama.
Sorry.
Mama, you will not die. It's not possible. You will be alive for us. I've made plans to fly you abroad for the kidney transplant. And I have strong feeling that after the transplant, you'll be free, okay? You will live for us. Nothing will happen to you, okay?
My in-law, thank you very much. God bless you.
And today you don't need to thank me. I'm part of this family now, okay?
Ogo. Nupogom, you are the God that I see today. Since you came into my life, into this family, everything has changed. You saved my daughter's life. You set up a business for my son, who has been roaming the streets of Onitsha for years. Look at me, living in a good house, well furnished. Death will never take your life. No one can take your life. Onwu ga-ebu ụzọ gbuche ndị ọjọọ niile nọ n'ụwa agbuwe ha. Ndị iro niile na-achọ ka m rie rice racha kastiu. Onwu ga-ebu ụzọ gbuo ha. Ị ga-adị ndụ wee hụ ụmụ gị nke asaa. Ị ga-ebigide n'elu ụwa isi ọnwụ bịa gburu gị. Ọnwụ ajụ na ya ga-egbute gị. Ị ga-adị ndụ nọkarịa Metusela.
Mama the mama. Same goes to you. You got 4 more. Okay? You will not die. You'll be alive for us. Oh?
I swear I didn't want to do it. I couldn't have taken his life away because of money.
So, what happened last night? Ifeoma, what happened last night?
Wait, Chiru.
Ifeoma, this food, how did it come about?
Something happened.
Forgive and forget, oh. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. Come back house, oh. Make we dey manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything way bite for 90. Be mosquito.
Please, Biko.
He must have been waiting for you.
No, please. Let's sleep. I don't want that disturbance now. Please, I want to sleep.
He must have been waiting.
No, now. Let's sleep, please. Please. I don't want that disturbance. Please.
I shouldn't disturb you.
Yes, sir.
Amos, why are you doing this to me? What wrong have I done to you? When was the last time you touched me? I'm your wife.
Wait. When was the last time I touched you? So, you now have Jota, where you write down your sex life. Eh? On Monday you tick. On Wednesday you tick. On Sunday you tick. Eh? Shame on you.
Shame on me for asking.
What is this thing now? No, what is it? Is it hard? Sleep now. Tomorrow or next week is another day. Why are you making it a case? I'm actually in this night. Or is it a bad thing? Don't know when someone's a long day. Because you're just relaxing at home. It's been a long day for me. Tomorrow will also be a long day. Next tomorrow, the same thing.
What did my husband eat when he came back?
Nothing. I can't eat anything. I tell him say food day ready. I can't even talk to me. And so you just pass straight, go in bed.
Take this thing back to the kitchen. Where are you coming from?
What sort of stupid question is that?
What do you mean my question is stupid? I'm asking you, where are you coming from? I mean, what is going on? You sneak in and out of this house each time and crawl back into the bed at night like a thief in your own house. You don't eat my food, you don't touch me, you don't do nothing. And you expect me to just sit down and watch like a 23-inch television, right?
Well, before you run your mouth like typewriter, you shouldn't forget I am the man of this house and I married you with my money.
Bravo. So as the man of the house, you're supposed to do anything and then I'm just supposed to sit and watch you? I am talking to you.
It's like you want to go back to your parents' house, right? Huh? Huh?
And I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know that I miss you. I don't want it to show. I miss you. I don't want you to know. I miss you. You would think I am weak. I miss you. So I don't want you to know. I miss you. Please don't look at me. I miss you. 'Cause if you look, you will see that I miss you. And I don't want it to show. I miss you. And I don't want you to know.
Darling, the food is ready. It's on the dining. Come and eat before.
Mama, my wife will be angry. I don't want to eat outside. I want to eat at home.
But no matter how long we fight, two wrongs won't make a right. And I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know that I miss you. I don't want it to show. I miss you. I don't want you to know. I miss you. You would think I am weak. I miss you. So I don't want you to know. I miss you. Please don't look at me. I miss you. 'Cause if you look, you will see that I miss you. And I don't want it to show. I miss you. And I don't want you to know.
I need you to tell me who that woman is.
I don't know what you're talking about.
That is a lie. A big lie from the pits of hell, and you know it. What is wrong with you? You come back to this house late every night, say some shit about a random woman out there, come on this bed, you don't even touch me, your wife. Do you know the last time you touched me? You snore on this bed like a bloated cow and deprive me of my sleep, and you tell me you don't know what I'm talking about. I want to know who that woman is. Who is trying to take my husband away from me? I'm waiting.
Don't make me do something I'll regret tomorrow.
Oh, that is the only thing you know. That is the only thing you know to hit me. Go ahead, hit me. Hit me, I'm talking to you, just hit me. This is exactly what I want you to do to me. Hit me. I am sick and tired of all this. Just go ahead and hit me.
I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know.
I told you I'm going to visit the children in school today. Today is their visiting day.
Oh, is it today?
Yes.
So you want to go and visit them today?
That is what I just said. I need to see them today.
It's okay.
Am I supposed to use this money to buy fuel in the car or what?
No, just manage it.
Manage what? Amos, I am asking you, manage what? I just told you that I'm going to your children's school to visit them. Children you haven't seen in months. I'm going to see them today and you're giving me what? What is this? 3,000 naira. Amos, 3,000 naira to go and see your children.
It's okay.
Take this one. This is all I have. Add it to be 4,000.
I won't take it. You go out, spend money on women, and then you come back home, you can't even provide for your own family. What is wrong with you? I won't take this money, please take this. What is it? If you don't give me 10,000 naira, you are not leaving this house.
10,000 naira. 10,000 naira.
Amos, you are going to give me 10,000 naira. What have I done wrong to you? What is it?
You're not serious.
Amos, if you don't give me that money, you are not leaving this house. You are not leaving this house. I don't want us to have issues. Just give me the complete money so I can go and see my children in school. Please. Amos. Please, I am begging you. Let me have the money for the children. It is that simple.
Have you lost it? Are you out of your mind? If you try this, if you try this nonsense again, I'll just slap out 7 colors from your eyes.
Amos.
I'm not fear.
Amos, you hit me. Amos, you hit me because I'm telling you the truth. Amos, you hit me because I'm telling you the truth. Your husband slapped you? Jericho, I'm tired. I am so tired. As it stands now, I just want to leave. I want to leave. I want to leave that marriage. I just want to go back to my father's house. All I need is a place to stay. A lot has gone wrong in my marriage, Acharugo. I just need to leave. I am broken.
It's okay, calm down. Let's go inside. It's okay. Let's go. It's okay. Just get a hold of yourself.
Would you believe that my husband comes home late and drunk every night? He doesn't even touch me. My husband has not touched me in the last 2 months.
2 months?
Just the other night he came back drunk. Came back late. I asked him if he was going to eat. He said yes. And before I could bring back the food, he had slept. I tried waking him up. Apparently he thought he was still in his woman's house. My husband woke up and told me to my face that he doesn't want to eat. That his wife might be angry when he gets home if he doesn't eat her food. Can you imagine that?
Wow. It's okay, sweetie. It's okay, stop crying. It's okay. But you're to be blamed for all this happening to you.
How?
Yes. I told you about choice, but you never listened to me.
Charugo, I have told you this before. I will not kill my husband. I won't kill him for any reason. I would rather walk out of that marriage. Biko.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry.
This is painful.
I will.
I know what I have to put up with in that house.
It's okay. I will tell you something else to do. I got you. Relax. It's okay. I will show you something later.
Acharugo, for goodness sakes, what are we doing here? This is a hotel.
Calm down, relax.
Stop telling me to calm down. Tell me what we're doing here so at least I know what to expect.
Soon enough, you will see why you are here. Relax.
Okay, fine. I'm coming down.
Okay, good.
Yes.
That's my husband. He kissed.
Look at him. Look at him. Just look at that.
This is unbelievable.
Ifeoma, we need to go.
Oh. I need to see the end of this.
We need to go. We need to go. Let's go home. You are welcome to my humble abode. Please sit down while someone arranges a room for you.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you still want something to eat?
No, I'm okay. I'm fine.
All right. I'll be with you. You're welcome, huh?
Thank you.
I'll have mine later.
Your place is nice.
I hear that a lot. Before you go inside, I want us to talk.
Okay.
These men, they're always like that. They feel like they have the right to cheat on their wives. And nobody will do anything about it. So many women are suffering. They are slaves at their own houses. They are sex-starved. And the men, what do? They go out there, meet their mistresses and get satisfied while their wives suffer at home. Do you know the funny thing? They come back home to that same woman and eat their food. Are they not foolish?
My own husband doesn't eat my food anymore.
No, not like he doesn't eat your food. He goes out there to his mistresses and gets some food and gets filled up. Then he comes back. Whenever he doesn't eat out there, he eats from you. Right?
You're right.
Of course, I'm always right. That is why we have perfect solution to this whole thing. Listen, these men don't know that we have their lives right in our palms, and we can take their lives just at a snap of a finger.
No, I haven't thought about it that way. I can't kill my husband.
Really? Enjoy your drink. Make yourself comfortable, okay? These are just one of my rooms. If you need a warm bath, you can switch on the heater. The AC is working perfectly. If you need anything, holler at your girl. Enjoy yourself.
So she didn't tell you where she was going to?
No, Oka. Oka, she no tell me. Oka, my madam cry you. Oka, my madam cry you to I turn red. The next thing my madam just get up, come out.
Give me my food.
Oka, I beg no fix you. But Oka, wetin you dey do my madam, you no good. Every time na so my madam go dey cry because of you. Oka, you up to you no good.
If I talk to you, you will think I am weak. If I call your number, I'm not sure you will answer. But I'm dying inside for my foolish pride. I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know. Since we've been apart, this house is not the home. I feel so empty, I feel so alone. But no matter how long we fight, two wrongs won't make a right. And I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I so, but I don't want you to know that I miss you. I don't want it to show. I miss you. I don't want you to know. I miss you. You would think I am weak. Please try again later. Thank you. So I don't want you to know. I miss you. Please don't look at me.
Go and give me my phone.
I miss you. 'Cause if you look, you will see that I miss you. And I don't want it to show. I miss you. And I don't want you to know.
Who are you? What do you want? Acharugo!
My name is Nani. I am a sugar.
Acharugo!
Acharugo sent me to come and give you a special treat.
Wait. I'm a married woman. I don't need any treats. I'm fine.
You surely need this.
I don't want it. So I want it. Come on.
Relax.
Jesus Christ. Please. Jesus.
You're so sweet.
So tell me, sugar boy, how did it go?
Perfect. Mama. I didn't know that woman has been sexed for long now.
Oh, you saw that too?
Yeah, I saw it. Just the moment I touched her, her body started vibrating. Just one kiss. She started mourning already.
And I trust you did a great job.
Sure, you know me now.
You're such a tiger.
You can see that again, Mama.
Okay, that's
You know
fine.
what? Trust me. She can't forget last night in the herd. She never believed that such thing exists in this world.
Ooh, and I know you ate her everything. You're such a tiger. It's okay. So I was just doing a transfer for you. I transferred 50K to your account, so you can check it.
Really?
Yeah. Have you confirmed it?
Mama, you
Take it easy.
Mama.
Hey, relax.
Mama, your boy's lawyer.
You're too sweet.
I know, right?
What will I do? Mama.
Well,
Alright, Mama, body the whole.
calm down. Take a chill pill.
Mama, you know everything.
Oh my goodness, relax.
Make you feel good.
You need to relax.
Why did you send him to me? You knew I wouldn't be able to resist him.
You feel bad for the same reason your husband beats you. He does the same thing every day. And when he comes back, he intimidates you. Are you not a slave of your own self?
And you think two wrongs makes it right? No, it doesn't. Are you happy? Now that I've defiled my marriage, are you happy? How do you want me to go back to my husband? How do you want me to face him? I can't even stand him.
So what do you want to do?
I'm going back to the house and packing my things and I'm leaving.
And what next?
What next?
Yes, what next? You start begging on the streets for shelter. food and family. Huh? When 25 million naira is sitting right there waiting for you. Now let me tell you something. If your husband marries another woman, she will take that money. That money you have worked so hard, many years of marriage. Another woman takes it. Because the club gives its own right to its member. Yes. And now you go broke. How do you train your children? How do you feed them? How do you even live with yourself? Are you not a fool? Suffer not they tire you. You better think. Think before it becomes too late. Think.
Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Make everything way bite for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. Come back house, oh. Make we dey manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything way bite for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose.
I've made up my mind to do it. But the issue here is that he doesn't eat my food anymore. So how do I put this? How do I get him to eat the food?
Very simple. Fake a reconciliation. Go back home. You fake a reconciliation. Pretend you are sorry. Pretend you want him to change. He will definitely change, but just for a few days, because men will always be men. He must go back to his normal activities. I mean, cheating is in their DNA. But before he does that, you must have achieved everything that you want. It is simple. No one will ever imagine that he was murdered or accuse you. Now, this is going to be the headline. He slept and did not wake up.
Hey.
That is a simple way to make a man die.
So, have you made up your mind now? Are you ready?
My mind is fully made up. Acharuko, I have never ever in my life experienced orgasm before. I am telling you.
Huh?
Yes. You know, I met my husband as a virgin. I have never ever known any man. He saved me from a ghastly motor accident, and then that just made me see him as an angel.
Okay.
He took me in and then we got married. He is the only man I have ever opened my legs to. He is the only man that has ever seen my nakedness. The only thing he does is climb up, and when he's done, he climbs down.
Ha!
Origo, Obada.
Oh,
that's the only thing he does.
Oh my goodness.
My dear, what I experienced last night. Hi! Chukunna, it's the best day of my life.
I trust my guy. I trust my boy. Now you see why you need to enjoy yourself more, sister. Let him go.
This is the beginning of enjoyment.
Okwaya.
I will enjoy myself till the end.
I love you for that. Now, take. The rest is up to you.
Okay.
I'll see you around.
All right.
Take care of yourself, okay?
All right.
I will be waiting.
Thank you.
Okay.
And say me hi to him.
Hey! Okay, my dear.
Madam, good morning. Good morning. Welcome.
Thank you. What is it?
Madam, Oka run dey look for you since yesterday night. Ma Oka no sleep. Oka come dey waka. I come dey very worried. They look for you. Madam, welcome back.
Thank you. You can go back to work.
Where are you coming from? I called you all through the night. You didn't pick my calls. The next thing, you switched off your phone. Can you kindly tell me where you slept last night?
You are not the same man I got married to. You changed. What did I do to you? You don't eat my food. Amos, you don't even touch me. You don't cater for your own children. Your family. Amos, this is not the love you promised me. You even hit me. What did I do?
It's okay. Say no more. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Deep down, I'm very sorry. I promise to be that man that you once loved. I promise to be that man that always adore you. I promise not to stay out late anymore. I will never skip your food. I promise to be your best friend. I've always been that, right? I will never hit you again. It's alright. Okay. Good morning, my love. How was your night?
Fine.
Okay. I won't be staying out late today. I promise.
I take you for your words.
So just make sure you prepare my favorite meal.
I will.
Come here. See you soon.
All right. And make sure you have a nice day.
And you too, my love. I promise. I'll beat my chest. See you soon.
I'll take you for your words.
Okay, baby.
Maybe I should do away with this idea. Maybe I should give him a second chance. Maybe he has truly repented. No. It is in them to cheat. He will still go back to it again. It's better I get my freedom once and for all.
What did she do? What did she commit that would make my God-fearing in-law, angel in form of a man, to send her back in?
Your daughter is here. Ask her.
Ifoma, what did you do? Did your husband catch you with another man? Then what could lead to this shame?
Oh, your daughter. She wanted to kill her husband.
Wanted to do what?
She wanted to poison the food of her husband. She never knew that the house help was watching her.